everyone, we are back again. We are from Nagaland, India. Today we wanted to showcase some of our organic products, soaps.
Hi everyone out here. As you can see, there is at least 5 varieties of soap, organic soap that I've prepared. This is the soap covers. It is handcrafted by me. And then let me show you one by one. This is pure aloe vera soap. It is made of aloe vera pulp. There is no colorants added or any kind of mixture that is added here. It is good for skin, and I can guarantee that it will really improve your skin. And next we have neem. This is neem soap, as you can see. This is made from pure neem leaves, and it is very good for skin, especially during the summer. We used to have so many prickly heats and skin infections, so during the summer it is very good for skin problems. And next we have, this is my favorite. This is sandalwood soap. It is made from pure sandalwood oil, and as I have said before, I don't use any kind of colorants or any kind of other chemical mixtures. It is purely handmade, very good for skin. And next we have, this is beetroot soap. As you can see, this is made from pure beetroot pulp. So it is very good for skin lightening. It has very good skin lightening agent. So if you want to have a glow in your skin, you can always go for beetroot organic soap. And next we have, this is my favorite also. This is rice milk and honey soap. So it is a very good moisturizer. If you have a dry skin, it will improve your skin. It will moisturize, nourish your skin also. So if you have a problem with dry skin, always go for rice milk and honey soap. And next we have the last one. This is papaya organic soap. As we all know the benefits of papaya, it is not only good for health, it's a food that is very beneficial for health, but also for the skin also. It has